You can tell me about it. Describe it.
I'm just in a tree and there's lots of like snippets of memories around. Like, I think that there is a swing in the tree.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm just in this like all being place. I'm not a bird anymore. I'm just in the world.
Oh. And how does that feel?
Good.
So you have no form.
Right.
And it feels good.
Yeah, because I know the place so well and
It feels comfortable.
mm-hmm.
Does it feel like you're home?
It's the only home I know, yeah.
And what do you see in the space around you?
I see the willow tree. I'm still in there. I'm like the bird, but I'm not the bird anymore. I'm just in the tree, but the tree is all around me.
Hmm. And what about those little snippets of memory that you said? Where are those? And what do those, how do you know that they're there? What's involved in those memories? Do they belong to you?
I don't know. But I think I need to leave.
You're gonna move out of that scene? Okay.